Hey everyone, and welcome. Today I'm making banana fudge popsicles from chisel and fork. They're made with real bananas, cocoa powder, and sweetened naturally with maple syrup. No refined sugar, no weird ingredients. They come together fast and promise a cool, chocolatey payoff. So let's get right into it and give them a try. Okay, so these banana fudge popsicles were really simple to make. Just a handful of wholesome ingredients and a quick blend before pouring them into the mold. The process was smooth and straightforward until it was time to get them out of the silicone mold. That's where things got a little tricky. I followed the recipe's tip to let them sit out at room temperature for 5 minutes before trying to remove them, but it didn't really help much. It also was a really hot day, and I was trying to work quickly because I didn't want them to melt. This was my first time using a silicone popsicle mold, so there was a bit of a learning curve. Through trial and error, I found that pushing up from the bottom helped, but even then it still took some effort. I had to kind of wiggle and work each one out individually. If anyone has any tips or suggestions for getting them out easier, please leave them in the comments below. Now, with all of that said, the taste absolutely made up for the hassle. These were so good. Slightly sweet, super creamy, and totally satisfying. They tasted exactly like what they are, a healthier banana fudgesicle. And the flavor seemed to improve the longer they sat in the freezer. I pulled one out a couple of days later and it tasted even better with a deeper, richer flavor. These fudgesicles strike a perfect balance between being both indulgent and good for you. Whether you're looking for a summer snack or a healthier dessert option, these totally deliver. Overall, I give them 5 stars. I'll definitely make them again, and hopefully next time I won't have as much trouble getting them out of the mold. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.